Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter sensitive content settings if not working. We will go to figure out the selection on your settings. We will click here on settings. Then we come here to settings window and we go down. We will click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window and we just go down here and we come here to we will just go to looking for Twitter. We will click here on Twitter. Then we come here to this is window like you say, and we click here on for stop, and we click here on OK. Then we just click here on storage. Then we click here on clear a cache, and here we click on click data on clear data, and you just update your app on Play Store and it's going to work. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.